As a country, we are what we eat. From cawl to chips and curry sauce, our food history tells the story of who we are as a nation. Archives across Wales are celebrating the amazing historical recipes they have in their collections.
Mae treftadaeth bwyd yn bwysig iawn I ni, oherwydd mae'n dweud llawer wrthon ni am y bobl, amdano ni fel Cymru. Mae dilyn ac olrhain ein hanes trwy'r canrifoedd yn dweud llawer o ran sut mae bwyd a byta wedi newid.
Food connects us to our community, food connects us to our families. Food provides a link with where we've come from.
This rich foodie heritage isn't just about celebrating the past. For Wales's top chefs like Bryn Williams, our heritage is inspiring our food future.
I think what's very important is we understand where recipes have come from. To go forward, you have to look backwards. So when we're looking backwards, these recipes are not there. How do we push the boundaries to go forward? That's why it's so important that we still have these recipes now, because it's been logged and registered in an archive.
Felly mae'n hanfodol bwysig bod diwrnodau fel hyn megis dod â'ch hen reseitiau i'r archifdy fel bod nhw'n gallu cadw nhw ar gyfer cenhedlaethau'r dyfodol yn bwysig iawn. Os nad ni'n cadw nhw heddi, dos gyda ni ddim byd wedyn ar gyfer ymchwilwyr y dyfodol.
So, if you want to dip into the food history of Wales, drop into your archive and explore a world of flavour.